The focus from these anti-gun politicians is squarely on you, the legal law-abiding gun owner. Have you noticed? I've not seen any politician bring up the case of Kodak Black, the rap artist who was recently arrested down in Florida. The South Florida Sun-Sentinel with the story talking about how Kodak Black lied on the federal 4473 form in order to purchase firearms, one of which, by the way, was found at the scene of a shooting back in March. A rival rap artist was apparently the target of that shooting. According to the Sun-Sentinel, Kodak Black, now being held on $500,000 bond in Miami County, lied at least 3 times when he purchased 3 different firearms, according to investigators. A federal prosecutor said it does not appear from the defendant's criminal history that the defendant has ever complied with the conditions of his release. The defendant's pattern is to be arrested, get released, get arrested, get released, get arrested, get released, and so on and so forth. He's under indictment right now in South Carolina for a rape in 2017, convicted of a 2013 carjacking as a juvenile. Again, this is seemingly part and parcel of Kodak Black's persona. And not a single disarmament Democrat running for president has dared mention Kodak Black's name, right? The NRA members, oh yeah, they're all about going after you. Actually going after people, violent criminals who lie on the federal form in order to illegally acquire firearms, I guess that's just not really something that's on their radar. But if you really want to reduce violent crime, go after the people committing violent crime. Don't go after the people who are exercising their constitutional rights. That is real common sense.